This is why you need to set up your TikTok account like a pro. TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms, and with millions of users worldwide, it's the perfect place to showcase your creativity, connect with others, and even become a viral sensation. Whether you're here to share your dance moves, cooking skills, or just some funny moments, setting up your account the right way is crucial. So, let's dive in and get you started on your TikTok journey. Trust me, by the end of this guide, you'll be ready to take TikTok by storm. First things first, download the TikTok app from your app store. It's available on both iOS and Android, so no matter what device you're using, you can join the fun. Once the app is downloaded, open it up and get ready to create your account. This is where the magic begins. The app is user-friendly and designed to get you up and running in no time. Open it up and tap Sign Up. You can use your phone number, email, or social media accounts. Using your social media accounts like Facebook or Google can make the process quicker and easier, as it will automatically fill in some of your details. However, if you prefer to keep things separate, using your phone number or email works just as well. Choose the option that suits you best and follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your TikTok presence. For an extra touch of cool, go with a unique username that's easy to remember and reflects your vibe. Your username is your identity on TikTok, so make it something that stands out. It should be catchy, easy to spell, and give people a hint about what kind of content you create. Avoid using too many numbers or special characters, as this can make it harder for people to find you. Take your time to think of a name that truly represents you and your brand. Remember, this is how people will recognize and remember you, so make it count. Next up, your profile. This is your digital face to the world, so make it count. Your profile is the first thing people see when they visit your page, so it's important to make a great first impression. A well-crafted profile can attract followers, showcase your personality, and give people a reason to follow you. Let's break down the key elements of a standout profile. This is your chance to shine and show the world what you're all about. Tap Profile at the bottom right and hit Edit Profile. Here, you can update your profile picture, bio, and other details. Each element plays a crucial role in defining who you are on TikTok, so let's go through them one by one. This is where you can really personalize your account and make it uniquely yours. Upload a clear, catchy profile pic. Think bright and welcoming. Your profile picture is like your digital handshake. It should be clear, high quality, and reflect your personality. Whether it's a selfie, a logo, or something creative, make sure it's something that will catch people's attention as they scroll through TikTok. Bright colors and a friendly expression can go a long way in making a positive impression. This small detail can make a big difference in attracting followers. Now for your bio. Keep it short and sweet, telling people exactly who you are and what you're all about. Your bio is your chance to introduce yourself to potential followers. In just a few words, you need to convey your personality, interests, and what kind of content people can expect from you. Use emojis to add some flair and make your bio more visually appealing. Think of it as your elevator pitch. Make it engaging and to the point. This is your opportunity to hook people and make them want to follow you. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Creating content. This is where TikTok truly shines. The platform is all about creativity and self-expression, so don't be afraid to experiment and have fun. Whether you're into dancing, comedy, cooking, or anything else, there's a place for you on TikTok. Let's walk through the steps to create your first video. This is your chance to let your creativity run wild and show the world what you can do. Tap the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. This will open the camera interface, where you can start recording your video. But before you hit that record button, let's explore some of the features that can take your content to the next level. These tools are designed to help you create professional-looking videos with ease. You'll see options to add music, filters, and effects. Spend some time exploring these. They're your new best friends. Music is a huge part of TikTok, and adding the right track can make your video more engaging and entertaining. Browse through the vast library of songs and choose one that fits the mood of your video. Filters and effects can also add a unique touch to your content. From color adjustments to fun animations, there's a lot to play with. Take your time to experiment and find the perfect combination for your video. These features can help you stand out and make your videos more memorable. Record your video by holding down the big red button. Done? Awesome. Tap the check mark to proceed to the editing screen. Recording your video is just the first step. The real magic happens in the editing process. TikTok offers a range of tools to help you polish your video and make it stand out. Let's dive into the editing features. This is where you can really make your video shine and capture your audience's attention. Trim, cut, add text, stickers, whatever makes your content pop. The editing screen allows you to fine-tune your video. You can trim the beginning and end to remove any unwanted parts, cut sections to create a more dynamic flow, and add text to highlight key points or add context. Stickers and emojis can add a fun and playful element to your video. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different editing techniques. The goal is to make your video as engaging and entertaining as possible. This is your chance to add those finishing touches that make your video truly unique. Before posting, don't forget to add relevant hashtags and a captivating caption. This helps your video get discovered. Hashtags are essential for increasing the visibility of your video. They help categorize your content and make it easier for people to find. Use popular and relevant hashtags that relate to your video. Your caption is also important. It should be catchy, engaging, and give viewers a reason to watch your video. Ask a question, make a bold statement, or add a call to action to encourage interaction. This step is crucial for reaching a wider audience and getting your content noticed. Hit post, and voila, you're live. Congratulations, you've just posted your first TikTok video. But the journey doesn't end here. To grow your audience and become a TikTok pro, you need to stay active and engaged on the platform. Let's talk about some strategies to keep the momentum going. Consistency and engagement are key to building a loyal following. Lastly, engage with your audience. Like, comment, and share other videos. The more you interact, the more you grow. Engagement is key to building a loyal following on TikTok. Respond to comments on your videos, like and comment on other people's content, and share videos that you enjoy. This not only helps you connect with your audience, but also increases your visibility on the platform. The more active you are, the more likely you are to attract new followers and grow your account. Building a community takes time and effort, but it's worth it. So there you have it, your first steps to TikTok stardom. Ready to take the plunge? Happy TikToking? Remember, TikTok is all about having fun and expressing yourself. Don't be afraid to try new things, take risks, and be yourself. With these tips and a bit of creativity, you'll be well on your way to becoming a TikTok pro. So go ahead, start creating, and enjoy the journey. The world is waiting to see what you have to offer.